Yo, what is up YouTube? So today I just wanted to make a quick update video sort of explaining where I want to go with this channel and what type of content you can expect to see in the coming new year. So first of all, I just want to say that I'm sorry that I haven't been as active over the past 3 weeks, and it's mainly just to do with I had final year exams for Christmas and I just had to study for them rather than make videos, which I didn't have time for. So in the new year, I really want to sort of keep up the 1 video per week schedule until I finish college, and then after that, hopefully I can increase that schedule to maybe 2 videos a week. So the goal that I want with this channel is to create obviously programming tutorials that show you how to build real production and good quality projects on blockchains such as Ethereum, Avalanche, all these other blockchains. And also I would like to create sort of theoretical videos as well. For example, if you've ever seen Whiteboard Crypto, that explain like DeFi concepts and blockchain concepts. So that's sort of where I want to go with this channel. But today I just sort of want to talk about 2 projects that I've been working on behind the scenes that I think you can't find anywhere else on, Google or YouTube even, for how-to tutorials on these topics. So the first is a fully built out arbitrage bot that uses flahloans to, execute arbitrage on different decentralized exchanges. And then the second thing that I've been working on is a fully built out cryptographic login system that verifies or authenticates users based on their wallet address by sending a message to their address that can only be verified via their private key. So I just sort of want to give 2 demos of these projects so you can see what I'm going to be doing in the future with this channel, and also to what you can expect to look out for. So just before I do, I'd like to say, if you don't know me, my name is Evan McGrain, and on my channel Web3 Simplified, I teach you blockchain development. So if that's something that seems interesting to you, then I'd really appreciate if you could just subscribe, hit the bell button, and also like this video because it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So the first thing that I would like to show you is this cryptographic login system that I've been working on. So this is something that you can expect to see me doing tutorials on in the very near future, hopefully at mid-January at some point. And pretty much what this is a login system that uses Web3 cryptographically secure logins in parallel with the traditional email and password login system. So I'm just going to give a demo. I'm not going to explain anything. I just want you guys to see what I'm going to be building out with you guys in my next main tutorial. So we come to the page here and we can choose to connect our wallet, and this will bring up the traditional Metamask connect thing, and we can connect with our account. And when we connect with our account, the app detects that we've connected and we can log in or sign up, and our address gets displayed here. So what we can do here also is this is dynamic. So if I change my address, then the app will know that we've changed addresses and we don't have to refresh. This will automatically change when we change it in Metamask. So you can see here that now we have a different address. So if I want to come in and sign up, we can bring in here and pass in a username, an email, and our password. So I'm just going to show this, and we can do a password like 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then this is the cool thing. So when we sign up, we need to verify our wallet. So with DeFi applications such as dexes or lending protocols, it's very important that the user that we're able to authenticate a user that they actually own the wallet that they're using the app with, to provide extra security, to make it less likely that someone's going to get hacked and their money stolen. So the way this works is we send a message, a one-time original message to the user's wallet, and if they're able to sign this message with their private key, then we know that that user owns the wallet. So if we sign this, then we have successfully verified our wallet, and then we get logged into the main application here. Now, this isn't important. This is just sort of something that I'm building out. So yeah, so we can also log out now. And let's come in to log in, and let's try and log in with that same email and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. And let's just come in here now and change accounts. So we are in account 1 here. So let's say we come into accounts 2, which is a different account, and let's try and log in. So our app will be able to figure out that this wallet address is not registered. Please sign up. So you can see here that we are able to verify user wallets and able to detect which wallet belongs to this account. So we need to go back to the first wallet, and then say we throw in like a wrong password or something, then we can try and log in and we have invalid credentials. So the only way that we can log in is if we correctly put in our email and password, and also that we are actually using the address that is, belongs to this account. So we can now log in. And boom, you'll notice this time that the nonce has changed. So this message is going to be different. It's unique each time the user tries to log in. So we can sign this, and then boom, we should get access to the private route. And one thing that's cool to note here, if I'm logged in and I try to go back, then you'll see that we're locked in here to this page unless we actually log out. So if I log out, and now let's say I try to access that route again, then you'll see that we're logged out, so we get brought back to the login page. So this is just a pretty cool login system that I'm working on that uses traditional user email password in combination with Web3 cryptographically secured logins. So this is a project that I will be showing you how to build out completely from the Mongo database all the way to the front end in React. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned for this, as it is coming quite soon. And then the next project is an arbitrage bot. So I've built out this full arbitrage bot here, which allows users to hunt for price mismatches between Uniswap, SushiSwap, all of the Uniswap implementations. And if our script is able to find a difference in price, so for example, if the price of Ethereum is 100 on Uniswap and 110 on SushiSwap, then we can effectively use that price difference to buy on Uniswap for 110 or for 100, sell on SushiSwap for 110, and keep the 10 difference in profit. Now that's it on a theoretical understanding. Obviously, in real life, arbitrage is hard to find, but that's it in theory. So this uses flash swaps and flash loans from Uniswap, and this is the contract which I'll be showing you how to build. And then here's the main script, which I'll be showing you also how to build. And then we have a testing script, which allows us to test our flash swap to make sure if we get an arbitrage that it's actually going to work. So there's nothing like this that you can find on YouTube unless you pay for it. And a lot of the courses that you actually have to pay for, their flash bots is not as good as this, or as complex. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So if I'm in the main script here, so if I cd into src, and then I run node and index.js and then uni/sushi. So this is going to run the bot for Uniswap and SushiSwap. Yo guys, sorry for that quick cut. I actually forgot to start up my Ganache server, which I need to for this. So yeah, now if we run node index.js and then uni/sushi, then this will run my arbitrage bot for the exchanges Uniswap and SushiSwap. So what it's going to do is going to get all of the prices amongst all the exchanges that this supports, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, SakeSwap, and all of these different Uniswap forks, and then it will run the bot to see if there's any arbitrage. And if there is, it will run the flash bot. If there's not, it will search again. So I'll stop this now because this is the difference. So since this is a negative difference, then if I buy in one exchange and sell on the other and the difference is negative, it means I lose money. So it's actually not going to work because all of these prices are too close together. So that's the bot now, and you're not going to find arbitrage that often. Like it may be once every load of different trades, which is what you would expect. So what we can do, what I've also done is I made a testing script. So if we go to the test environment and I run node and then run this script, then what this does is this is a test script that I made where I deployed my own tokens on Uniswap on SushiSwap on a local environment, and then added liquidity in such a way that no matter what, there's always going to be a price difference, so we can test our flash bot. So in this case, our bot is running, and you can see here, okay, that's the script done. So if I run back up to the top, then you can see here that the estimated gas for calling the approve function, blah, 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 is all this. So then it goes, the total estimated profit is going to be 0.19 minus, this is undefined, doesn't matter. So we're going to have a total profit of 0.19 of token 1. And then it will say, it's going to say estimated profit expected, preparing to execute the flash loan. And then this is the receipt from the flash loan. And then if we come down to the bottom, then we'll say the total balance before the ARB is 0, and the total balance after the ARB is 0.19. So we've made a profit of 0.19. Now this is only a testing environment, so I made up this you can see that it always works. But if I go onto the mainnet, it's only going to work whenever it is in real arbitrage. So those are the two projects that I have been working on and that I plan to do full tutorials on, because you can't get this type of content on YouTube. And I know I'm only a small channel, but I'd really appreciate if you guys could subscribe, because I put a lot of time into these. And also I will be finishing out the multi-sig. I'm going to finish that first before I start doing these. But I just sort of wanted to make this video to give a few updates of where I want to go with this channel, and also just to apologize for being slow. It's just I'm in my final year physics degree, and I have to study for my exams. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy and appreciate the hard work that I'm putting in. So yeah, I just want to say thanks and enjoy your Christmas, and I will see you soon with the next video.